Scholars face a challenging task of translating biblical Greek to English because of the complexity of the Greek verbs and the nuance that doesn't translate so easily into English. And if we look at John 12, where Jesus talks about, if anyone hears my words and does not keep them, those verbs seem simple enough to understand on the surface, but they're in the aorist tense. This is a tense which actually goes beyond the idea of time and focuses on the actual action, the idea of hearing the words of Christ and keeping them, meaning that in hearing they obey them. And here we find this state of learning of God, but not applying it to our life. But it is not attached to time. That means there's no permanence in it. And the idea of the condition, if anyone, and this construct is one of 4 conditional clauses in the Greek. First and second, meaning that it is absolutely positive or negative in its outcome. But the third class, conditional, which is constructed here in the Greek, is one of potential. That means that there is an open invitation to hear the words of God and to follow them. But there's something else in this passage that speaks of those who reject Christ. And this is not in the aorist tense. It is in the present active participle, which means that the idea of rejecting and not believing is a continuous state, one which will lead to a person's destruction at the judgment. So let us not harden our hearts and fix ourselves against the person of Christ, but accept him, welcome him in, and give our lives over to him fully to his glory. More to wonder.